On this channel, I've given myself the challenge of making one programming related video every week. But what makes a programming video interesting? First of all, in order for me to make these videos, it has to be fun for me to make them. And the kind of videos that I've gravitated towards making are kind of vlog style, where I take you with me when I do some kind of programming activity, kind of behind the scenes stuff where I show you how I do something instead of just showing the finished product. So why is that interesting? I think watching someone else work that's in the same field as you are is interesting, because you can observe how they do something and you can learn from that. So I remember many years ago I watched a series called Peepcode. I think it's now available on Pluralsight. And those were basically videos where the interviewer interviewed someone doing programming, like gave them a programming task to solve, and then mixed programming sessions with interview questions to kind of show how that particular programmer solved a problem, and like the environment they worked in, the tools they used, and yeah, so like pairing with a different programmer even though you were just watching. And for me, those were very interesting to watch. Another reason that is interesting for me to make the videos where I show you what I'm working on is that I think it will be interesting to look back on later. Like, I can capture what my current thinking is and what I'm currently working on, and that will be interesting for myself to watch in the future. One common format in my videos is the hacking session. So it's where I share my screen with you when I do some kind of programming activity, and also try to talk about what I'm doing, even though the talking part is a bit difficult for me. So these recordings typically get quite long. Like a hacking session for me, maybe it's 2 hours where I sit and record something. And I find it difficult to believe that anyone would find that interesting to watch the whole way through. So I've experimented a bit trying to compress long hacking sessions by speeding up like certain boring sections. But still, if you have like a 2-hour hacking session, it's difficult to compress it down to anything less than 1 hour. So I think I'll do some more experiments with that. Maybe I'll try to mix in like interview style questions to make it more interesting. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is interesting to watch a 2-hour long hacking session. I would love your feedback on this. Why do you watch my videos? What do you find interesting about them? And what would you like to see more of? I would highly appreciate it. I'll see you in 1 week.